Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Good
Morning, Miss.
Well, how are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm okay, thank you. Okay, before we start our lesson today, please the captain or one of you lead the prayer first ya. Silahkan dipimpin berdoa terlebih dahulu. Ya. Bismillah. Okay, finish. I have already sent you a link of Google Form to present list ya. Jadi jangan lupa nanti diisi link Google Formnya sebagai daftar hadir kalian ya.
Oke, Miss.
Oke. Jadi walaupun di masa pandemi seperti sekarang ini, kalian harus tetap semangat belajar ya. Jangan jadikan masa pandemi seperti sekarang ini untuk alasan. Keep healthy, keep your immunity ya. And stay and obey the rule ya. Okay? Now, jadi hari ini kita akan belajar tentang how to describe a thing, how to describing a person, describing a place, and all. Jadi tujuan pembelajaran hari ini nanti kalian pada akhir pembelajaran expected to write descriptive text gitu ya. Okay, so now let's start the lesson today. I will show you some picture. Okay, now I will show you some pictures. Wait. Sudah muncul apa? Sudah terlihat? Sudah terlihat belum?
Belum, Miss.
Okay. Now, please pay attention or look at the picture. Ya, I'll show you a picture of person. Lihat itu ada gambar cewek cantik ya. Do you know her?
No, Miss.
No, okay. Ya, sekarang coba kita coba untuk mendeskripsikan ciri-ciri yang ada pada gambar di sini. Kita mulai dari yang pertama ada hair, kemudian ada face, and the next is age, and the other one is body. Ya, look at the picture. Now, focus on her hair. Bagaimana kira-kira rambutnya? Rambutnya bagaimana ini? Berdasarkan gambar di situ.
Long curly hair, Miss.
Oh, okay. The hair is long and curly, ya. Good, Novi. And then how about the face? Nah, wajahnya itu apakah bulat atau oval? Oval ya. Oke, next. Sekarang setelah kita sudah mendeskripsikan contoh gambar. Now, I have a text ya, a descriptive text. Here is about Catherine Elizabeth or Katy Perry ya. Jadi silahkan dibaca terlebih dahulu, dicermati, and then all you have to do is to find difficult words from the text ya. Silahkan nanti dicari kata-kata yang sulit dari teks ya. Kemudian kita nanti akan play a game. Jadi nama gamenya word ya, word clap games. So the next we will play a word clap games. It's about clapping, yeah, you know, You can clap and you will answer the meaning of the word. Okay? Now, after you have read the text and then you are already found some difficult words here. There are some difficult words here. Born, grew up, exposure, limited, mainstream. Ya, ada di situ semua, ada di tabel. Itu kata-kata sulit dari hasil penemuan kalian pada teks. Sekarang kita akan coba bermain ya. Bagaimana bermain game word clap games ini untuk menemukan makna kata in the text. Clap ya. Nanti setiap kali kita circle in the classroom ya. Jadi kalau sebenarnya kalau tidak daring, ini kita bisa bermain membentuk lingkaran, kemudian bersama-sama untuk orang yang ditepuk bisa menepuk tangannya dan mengucapkan katanya ya. Next, setelah kita bermain, sekarang after we have read the text, now please count the social function of the text and then the generic structure and also the language features of the text ya. Social function of the text. Anyone know what is the social function from this? Okay, and then the language features. Yeah, it use a simple present tense yeah. And then the next one is, what is the first one? The first paragraph is sudah ya. Well, I have another text ya. All what you have to do is to make a group ya. Silahkan nanti dibentuk kelompok dan tugas kalian adalah menganalisa teks tersebut, dicari bagaimana social functionnya, kemudian language features and also the generic structure, just like we have already did just now ya, seperti yang tadi kita sudah lakukan pada contoh teksnya kan dengan kelompok masing-masing, kemudian nanti hasilnya kita bahas bersama, begitu ya?
Yes, Miss.
Ya. Yeah. After you have already discussed with your group, yeah, with your friends, now it's the time for you to have an assignment, but individually. Do the task individually. What is the assignment? Your task is now to describe about someone, a person. Silahkan nanti buat sentences, ya. 5 simple sentences about your classmate. Free to choose anyone in your classroom. Jadi silahkan nanti dipilih satu untuk mendeskripsikan aja. Bagaimana? Seperti yang tadi kita ya. Jadi di situ kita mulai dari hair, kemudian what about the age, what about the body, and maybe you can write about her hobby or his hobby, and then her eyes, his eyes, the physical appearance. Yeah. Now, after you have already did the assignment about describing your classmate, now I think it's enough for today. Yeah. Okay. Before we close the material today, or before we close the activity, the learning activity today, let's make a conclusion. Jadi hari ini we have already learned about descriptive text, about the language features, kemudian ada social function from the text, and also the generic structure or bagian-bagian teks deskriptif itu sendiri ya. sekarang setelah sudah belajar tentang descriptive text, I think it's enough for today ya. Before we close the lesson today, let's have a pray first ya. Silahkan ketua kelasnya dipimpin terlebih dahulu. Oke, amin. Well, thank you so much for today guys ya. Jangan lupa nanti we will have another class next week ya. Jangan lupa dipelajari lagi yang sudah kita bahas hari ini about descriptive text, and have a nice day everyone, and thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.